Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the network and TV ready because the mirror connection depends on both. First, power the Panasonic Viera and your phone or laptop and put them on the same Wi-Fi band. This avoids routing issues. Next, update the TV firmware so Miracast compatibility is current. Once updated, go to Menu, then Network, and enable Screen Mirroring or Miracast to make the TV discoverable. Doing these steps first prevents device discovery failures and saves time when you start the device-side pairing. Now you connect the source device and understand why each choice matters. On Android, open Settings, choose Connected Devices or Cast, and select the Viera entry. Miracast negotiates resolution and latency automatically. On Windows, use Action Center Right Arrow Project Right Arrow Connect to a wireless display and pick the TV. This uses the native Miracast client for best compatibility. If you have an iPhone, use AirPlay when the TV supports it or a vendor app/adapter otherwise. Finish by adjusting display and audio so the mirrored content looks and sounds correct. Once connected, change the TV aspect or resolution to match 16:9 video to avoid stretching, and choose whether audio plays from the TV or the source device. Make sure both devices are within good Wi-Fi range. Interference causes lag. If something goes wrong, reboot router, TV, and device in that order and wait 30 seconds between restarts. This clears network caches and fixes most discovery or lag problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.